Hello and welcome to my Patreon page. My name is Sorin and I enjoy making videos about electronics and DIY projects. I have many ideas for future videos, but I need to invest a lot of time and money to make the videos as detailed as I want. For every video I need to buy components and sometimes even new tools. For example, when I started making these videos, I had only this old soldering gun, which is very good, it's powerful. You can easily solder thick wires with it. But if you want to solder tiny components, it's difficult. So I had to buy a soldering station.
It's much better now. At this moment, I create my videos in a small room in my apartment. I record everything with my mobile phone. I can say it does a very good job, but it's clearly not as good as a professional camera. For lighting equipment, I use some desk lamps, which illuminates my project from different angles.
Let's talk about microphones. In the beginning I used only the phone's microphone, which introduces a lot of echo because I don't have a soundproof room. After a few episodes I realized I need something better, so I bought this lapel microphone. I've built a stand for it with thick copper wire soldered on a piece of clapboard. Instead of a pop filter, I've made the frame and covered it with a piece of stockings which I have stolen from my girlfriend. The recorded sound is clearer now, but it has a background buzzing sound. But this was only $3.6, so not great, not terrible. Of course, I was not satisfied with the audio quality, so finally I've bought a decent studio microphone with a stand and a pop filter. But as you imagine, this was quite expensive.
If you want to help me financially, it will definitely raise the quality of my future videos, and perhaps it will give me the possibility to upload videos more often. Also, it will help me a lot if you like and share my videos. Thank you for all your support.
And this is my fat cat.